Hey, my name's Danny and I'm from a project called WebeKids, where we make nature-based resources to help boost family well-being. In today's resource, I'm going to show you how we can make some delicious stinging nettle fritters. In order to do that, we're going to need a few materials and some ingredients. We're going to need 70 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 diced onion, 3 eggs, a handful of wild garlic is optional but adds to the flavour, some freshly picked nettles, some olive oil. We're going to need some utensils. We're going to need a spoon, some tongs, a knife, a spatula. We're going to need a frying pan and also a bowl of water. We're then going to find our most beautiful spot in the woods and light a campfire. We're going to begin by adding the nettles into the water and mixing them around. Now I'm using the tongs to do this just to avoid being stung. What you'll find is that once we've mixed them, not only have we cleaned them, but we're also taking the sting out of them by flattening the hairs on the back of them. Once you've mixed them for a few minutes, you'll then be able to handle them. What we're going to do next is just take them out, and we're going to drain them off just by squeezing them and laying them on our cutting board. We're then going to finely chop our nettles. We're then going to cut up the wild garlic too. We're going to add a little bit of oil to the pan and we're going to fry off the onions and the wild garlic until they go brown and soft. We're going to start adding all the mixture into a mixing bowl, beginning with 3 eggs. Then I'm going to add the breadcrumbs and the stinging nettles, and we're going to mix it all together. We're then going to add the onions and the wild garlic. And continue to mix. Having the right consistency of mix is really important here. If it's too dry, then your fritters are just going to fall apart. So you just want to take them and just gently ball them in your hands. If they hold together, then we're good to go. But if they begin to fall apart, we might need to add another egg. We're just going to place our fritters into the pan. Then press them down gently. Once they're golden brown, we're going to remove them from the pan and serve them up. Now they can be eaten alone, or you could make a nice salad garnish with them, or you could even put them on a bun in replacement for a burger. So there we have our delicious stinging nettle fritters. Easy to make with a number of things that you can forage at this time of year. We're going to enjoy ours with some wild garlic salad and some lovely primrose, dandelion and daisies. I hope you enjoy making yours too.